To install Photoshop in Creative Cloud on Windows 11, start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. If you do not have it installed, you can download it from the Adobe website. Once the application is open, sign in with your Adobe account credentials. After signing in, you will see a list of available Adobe applications, including Photoshop. Click on the Install button next to Photoshop to begin the installation process. The installation process may take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your internet connection and the performance of your computer. As the installation progresses, you will see a progress bar indicating the status of the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Photoshop by clicking on the Launch button. You can also find Photoshop in the Start menu, where you can pin it to the taskbar or create a shortcut on your desktop. Before launching Photoshop, make sure your computer meets the system requirements for the application. This includes a 64-bit version of Windows 11, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a minimum of 4 GB of available hard disk space. It is also recommended to have a dedicated graphics card and a multi-core processor for optimal performance. When launching Photoshop for the first time, you will be prompted to accept the license agreement and choose your preferred language and workspace. You can choose from various workspaces, including Essentials, Photography, and Painting, depending on your specific needs and workflow. To get started with Photoshop, explore the various tools and features available, including the toolbar, menus, and panels. You can also access tutorials and online resources from within the application to help you learn the basics and advanced techniques. Best practices for installing and using Photoshop include regularly updating the application to ensure you have the latest features and security patches, and organizing your files and projects in a logical and consistent manner. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully install Photoshop in Creative Cloud on Windows 11 and start creating stunning images and designs.